Thank you so much, Mom, for this great opportunity you've given to us to celebrate our Papa, the greatest prophet of all time, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. We love you so much, Papa. Happy birthday to you. We are grateful to God for this opportunity, for this season that we get to celebrate your life. We get to celebrate who you are in our life. And we cannot wait for the many years that God has blessed you with, that we can draw from the many treasures that you have for us. We are grateful to have you in our lives. I personally am grateful to have you in my life. I'm grateful to the man that you are, a man who understands the Word of God. I'm grateful because as you teach us the Word of God, we are transformed. As you have told us, that we can never listen to you and remain the same. That is a testimony of my life. Ever since I began listening to you, I have seen tremendous growth in my life. I'm grateful because you're a man who understands what the Word can and is able to do. Like you recently taught us that we can never walk with God and remain the same, that if we walk with God, God does not leave us the same. And because you are teaching us the Word, and God is His Word, we can surely say that you are helping us have a better relationship with God. You are helping us to walk with God. And we are grateful to have you in our lives. We are not only grateful because you're a man who understands the Word of God, we are grateful because you're a man who loves the Word of God. And in turn, you've caused us to love the Word of God as well. I don't know how you're able to put so much flavor in the Word of God, but we are grateful because we enjoy listening as you teach the Word of God. We're so grateful to have you. We are so happy that we get to celebrate you in this season, and we are grateful to God for the many blessings that He's blessed you with, and we are grateful to God for the many blessings that are coming your way. Thank you so much, Papa, for the impact that you made in our lives. Thank you so much for leading us. Thank you so much for fathering us. May God bless you so much. We love you so much. Happy birthday.